This little scoop and what's inside it is revolutionary because you can clean everything dirty in your home with it.
One little scoop does it all.
That's Max Appel. Over the years, Max has brought us one revolutionary cleaning product after another. You know them. That's a lot.
All my life I've worked on cleaning products.
No wonder people call him the king of clean. But now, after years and years of hard work, Max decided to invent something else. Something new.
Basically, I'm really lazy. I really want to simplify my life.
He looked in his kitchen, bathroom, and laundry cabinets, and here was all this stuff.
You really don't need all that other stuff.
So he decided to create one thing that cleaned everything, easily. One thing. Max called in his right-hand chemist and worked with him to create a powerful new product.
So Max said it has to be simple to use, it has to clean everything, it has to be made from mineral and plant-based ingredients, and be biodegradable. I told him it couldn't be done. He said, well, just do it. And so I went to the lab, spent a lot of time researching, a lot of time formulating, and finally we came up with a solution.
And that's how they created Powerizer Complete.
Every ingredient in here is important to give you one product that cleans everything.
It's made from just a handful of biodegradable materials. They made sure there were no phosphates or dyes or fillers, just a clean, pleasant scent.
And it works.
Realizing he had a cleaning juggernaut on his hands, Max went to the big retailers to sell Powerizer to them. But they said no. No way, we'd have to get rid of 2 whole aisles. Are you kidding? But you can still get rid of those other cleaning products. Goodbye laundry detergent, goodbye dishwasher detergent, bathroom cleaner, spot treater, carpet cleaner, pet stain remover, floor cleaner, and so on. I'm not kidding.
Just think of all the time and the money you're going to save.
Powerizer is concentrated, so it doesn't take much. This little scoop holds about 2 tablespoons of Powerizer, enough to do a full load of laundry. You compare that to these typical scoops, no comparison. A full scoop will clean a large load of laundry. And for tougher stains, you just add a little more. And just a little bit in your dishwasher makes your dishes so clean you could eat off them. So you just pour it, wipe it, sponge it, scrub it, mop it. Powerizer Complete is the one cleaner that cleans everything dirty.
I trademarked that.
So empty those shelves, feel good about yourself, and take it from Max.
Here.
The Max approved, all-purpose, entirely amazing Powerizer Complete.